Alright everyone, got the shop vac out here. So I got out here early this morning and did a little bit already, so made some okay progress, but still got plenty to do. So let's get at it. Let's get going. By the way, this is sand that came from my patio. I found out where the little boogers are collecting it. And just to let you know that squirrels, chipmunks, what they do with all this stuff is not only do they use it for nesting, but they use it to wash off their fur. So basically it's their way of taking a shower right in the back of the car. So ain't that great? Yeah. Animal tip of the day. Alright, well, that is it. Interior is okay. I mean, a lot of damage done, I see, but for the most part, you know, this stuff can be replaced. But that's all I got for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Later.